In front of me is Realme 12, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings and tap on Bluetooth right away. Then click on gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this icon next to the device and tap on Unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!